Hi everyone, it's and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you how to do Kendall Jenner hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go with this wash right here, and I'm just gonna go and take all of my hair back. The next step, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal hairspray right here to kind of give it a hold. So I'm just gonna go and spray very little bit, and you don't want to spray too close because then it's gonna be really sticky. And the next thing that we're going to do is actually separate the hair in the middle. So I'm just gonna go like that with my fingertips, separate the hair. I'm gonna take the brush and wash everything out. And I'm just gonna go with my brush, and I'm making sure that I keep my line visible in the middle. Just gonna go and take all my hair half. While I'm taking my hair half, to actually use this spray to make sure that we are sticking up every baby hair. And everything is just sticking together. I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. And I'm doing this one again because I want to make sure that all the hair is sticking up together and it's not run away. When I arrive to the point that I want to tie my hair, I'm just gonna go and tie my hair like that. Another hair tie, and I'm just gonna go and roll my hair that way. Just go all the way like that. And from here, I'm going to tie, and I'm gonna leave this piece out. And again, I'm just gonna go with the spray and just stick everything up. So I'm making sure that all the baby hair, everything is just sticking together. If you feel like you have still hair left, you just can go with a brush on top of it, kind of wash it everything in so it looks much more snatched. And I'm just gonna go and do the same thing over here. That is my Kendall Jenner hairstyle. It's super quick and super easy. It's something that you can do just in 5 minutes when basically you have no time to do your hairstyle. And I feel like this one is super nice and easy. It keeps your face fresh. You can go with just natural makeup and you're good to go. It's one of my most favorite hairstyle. I've been doing it for like so long and I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching me. Just before you go, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press on the button right here to make sure not to miss any of my content. Thank you so much for watching me, and I will see you next video. Bye bye. I know you're the worrying kind. Is there any way